Alright, you guys, what's up, you guys? We're back with another reaction, man. Today's we go be doing some flight racks, making random noises, bro. Like, yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're finna be doing. So, I mean, let's get into the video. But wait, hold on, I forgot something. And if this is your first time seeing my face on your screen, and make sure you guys subscribe, cause you know I'm gonna be here all day. So, further ado, let's watch the video. Okay, I've seen this one a lot. No. Bro, you see this? He's bro, that's over exaggerating, bro. Like that's over exaggerating. Whoa, flight, whoa, flight, whoa, flight, whoa, buddy, whoa. Chill out, flight, chill.
I say more.
Jesus Christ.
What?
That was loud.
What? Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh?
Oh, flight.
Cap, amazing Cap. Spring, green, green.
This man is ridiculous. His voice is so like irritating, bro. His voice is like mixed with a dolphin, a dog, something else, bro. A bird. That's what it is, a bird.
Better than the rest. She don't know what slow you would think she trying to rap.
And be in denial. Another case.
Oh my god. I would have raged too. Alright, that's it, y'all. That's it. That was quick. 2 minutes of flight, making random note. That's quick. That's really quick. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe because keep doing it. Alright, make sure you guys subscribe though. There's nothing but lit content on this channel. And yeah, I mean, like, oh my god. But yeah, there's no reason for why you shouldn't subscribe. So if you're watching this and you're just gonna click off, no, don't do that. Make sure you guys subscribe because this is the most littiest, whatever you want to call it, channel on planet Earth. And yeah, like, look at this background I got. Who else is doing this? Who else is doing this? Name one person. Who else is doing this? Nobody. It's me. Okay. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, maybe we can make some merch. Maybe not. I don't know. So yeah, peace.